Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a Profitec dual boiler with us in the shop, and it came in because the heating element had died out after removing it, or at least removing what was left, because the customer actually tinkering around with this machine trying to access the heating element. What I found was a really bad heating element. Actually, have it right over here, as you can see, fully covered in scale, and just this is actually a little bit of scale compared to what was actually inside of the boiler. So I had to descale overnight to clean out the boiler, and then also descale again to clean out the pipes, because that only descaled the inside of the boiler. So it took a lot of rinsing, took a lot of descaling, and finally got it cleaned out pretty good. We used a camera to access inside of the boiler to check. And then also descaled the brew boiler. We did a tune-up, so we cleaned the brew pad, replaced the gasket. It has a silicone one in here right now. Changed the shower screen, and mainly just installed that steam element. So the customer actually provided the part for us. So it's mainly just installing it. Now we're just going to quickly test the machine. We're going to brew a shot. Don't worry if it runs a little too fast or slow. We don't weigh out our coffee for testing machines. We just want to make sure it comes out nice and good. It looks like it's coming out good, actually. Really beautiful shot. A little bit of spurting. That could be just puck prep. Beautiful. Nice little double shot there. And now for the main part of the repair, the steam boiler. As you can see, new steam element is inside of the machine, and the steam boiler is working really well. And then just in case you want to see the hot water tap. The hot water tap was actually clogged quite a lot. So I had to push a lot of water through it, a lot of boiler through it, until all of it rushed out and all the scale came out. Then I ended up descaling the pipe. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.